3D scanning and 3D model scanning have revolutionized numerous industries, offering unprecedented precision and efficiency in capturing complex geometries and creating digital replicas of physical objects. In Dubai, UAE, SCON Design India PVT LTD has emerged as a leading provider of cutting-edge 3D scanning and modeling services, catering to a diverse range of sectors. Leveraging state-of-the-art technology and a team of skilled professionals, SCON Design offers comprehensive solutions for businesses seeking to harness the power of 3D digitization. The company's services encompass a wide array of applications, including reverse engineering, quality control, architectural documentation, and heritage preservation. By utilizing advanced 3D scanning equipment and sophisticated software, SCON Design can capture intricate details of objects with exceptional accuracy, producing high-resolution 3D models that serve as valuable digital assets. These models can be used for various purposes, such as product design optimization, virtual prototyping, and creating immersive virtual reality experiences. For businesses in Dubai, 3D scanning presents numerous advantages. It significantly reduces time to market for new products by streamlining the design and prototyping process. In the construction and architecture sectors, 3D scanning enables precise as-built documentation, facilitating efficient renovation and restoration projects. The technology also plays a crucial role in quality assurance, allowing for rapid and accurate comparison between manufactured parts and their original CAD designs. SCON Design India PVT LTD employs a range of advanced 3D scanning technologies, including structured light scanners, laser scanners, and photogrammetry systems. These tools, combined with powerful post-processing software, enable the company to handle projects of varying scales and complexities. Whether it's scanning small mechanical components or large-scale architectural structures, SCON Design has the expertise and equipment to deliver high-quality results. The applications of 3D scanning in Dubai span across multiple industries. In the automotive sector, it aids in reverse engineering and custom part design. For the aerospace industry, 3D scanning facilitates